In the detailing video, I totally forgot to talk about how we can create the small feet, so the gliders. Look on the bottom, create cylinder. I use the ground plane because in this case it lines up with my object. And I go to here, plus minus maybe 10 millimeters. Cylinder and 2, so I'm extruding downwards, not join, just new body, because that actually will be a rubber or silicone object. Let's fillet this one. Very good. Okay, so I want this to be on the other 4 corners too. We don't do this again. We just mirror the pattern type is body. And then this is my body along this plane to there. Mirror again these 2 bodies now along that other plane. Very good. Then we could just give this another material. Rubber, bumpy. Zip, download this. Drag it on it. Oh, very good. There too. And there. And there. It's just suggestive that we also have a glide there, and because it's rubber, that prevents the toaster to glide on a smooth surface. And that's it. That's probably the shortest video ever.